Hello student, subject chemistry, unit 12, aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. This is first video or PPT lecture on aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. We learn about the organic compound which contain carbon-oxygen single bond, and in these chapter we are going to study organic compounds containing carbon-oxygen double bond. In all these aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid, carbon and oxygen contain double bond. Let us see first organic compound containing carbon-oxygen double bond are called carbonyl group. Carbon double bond oxygen are carbonyl group. In these, oxygen is carbonyl oxygen and carbon is carbonyl carbon. Oxygen is carbonyl oxygen and carbon is carbonyl carbon. And carbon is attached with total 4 bond. Its valency is 4. Then other side of this carbon, other 2 group is attached, R and R dash. Both aldehyde and ketones contain carbon-oxygen double bond as a functional group. Therefore, they are called carbonyl compound. Aldehyde and ketone are called carbonyl compounds. In aldehyde, carbonyl carbon is bonded to at least one hydrogen. In aldehydes, carbonyl carbon is bonded to at least one hydrogen apart from alkyl or aryl group. In carbonyl group, R is alkyl and R dash is aryl group. The functional group of aldehyde is CHO. The functional group of aldehyde is dash CHO. It's called formyl group or aldehydic carbonyl group. In ketones, carbonyl carbon is bonded to 2 alkyl or aryl group. In ketones, carbonyl carbon is bonded to 2 alkyl or aryl groups, either identical or different. 2 alkyl or aryl group is similar or different, means R is equal to R or R is equal to R dash. It is called ketonic carbonyl group. This group is called ketonic carbonyl group. The functional group of ketone is C double bond O. The functional group of aldehyde is CHO. Aldehyde functional group CHO and the functional group of ketone is C double bond O. And in both, carbon is attached with total 4 bond. Then next, the functional group of carboxylic acid is dash COOH. The functional group of carboxylic acid is COOH, called carboxylic group. COOH carboxylic group, CHO aldehyde, C double bond O ketone and COOH carboxylic acid. Then next, classification of aldehyde. Aldehyde can be classified into 2 types. First is aliphatic aldehyde and second is aromatic aldehyde. Aliphatic aldehyde, the compounds in which the CHO group means the formyl group is attached directly to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, that is saturated carbon atom, are called aliphatic aldehyde. In aliphatic aldehyde, the CHO group is directly attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. sp3 hybridized carbon is saturated carbon atom. Saturated means single bond is attached to carbon and other group. Example is first acetaldehyde CH3CHO, acetaldehyde. Then second is CH3CH2CHO, propionaldehyde. In general formula for aldehyde, R C double bond O H. R is equal to H is alkyl group. Then aliphatic aldehyde means the compound in which the CHO group means formyl group, is attached directly to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. sp3 hybridized carbon atom is saturated carbon atom. Saturated carbon atom means in this only single bond is present. Then general formula for this, RC double bond OH. Then next is aromatic aldehyde. Aromatic aldehyde, the compound in which CHO group is attached directly to an aromatic ring, are called aromatic aldehyde. The compound in which CHO group is attached directly to an aromatic ring are called aromatic aldehyde. Aromatic ring means close pack chain structure or close ring. For example, first is the benzaldehyde, benzene ring with hydrogen and oxygen. Then second is salicylaldehyde. Then third is p-nitrobenzaldehyde. Para-nitrobenzaldehyde, in para position nitro group is attached. Then next, ketone. Ketone means what? Functional group of ketone is C double bond O. In ketone, carbonyl carbon is bonded to alkyl or aryl group. Carbonyl carbon is attached to aryl or alkyl group. And in these, both alkyl and aryl group are similar or different. And ketone are classified into two types. First is aliphatic ketone and second is aromatic ketones. Then aliphatic ketones are the compound in which C double bond O group is attached to two alkyl group, are called aliphatic ketone. In aliphatic ketones, the compound in which carbon double bond oxygen group is attached to two alkyl groups are called aliphatic ketones. Then aliphatic ketones are further divided into two types, oxo or ketonic carbonyl group, or simple aliphatic ketone and second mixed aliphatic ketone. See first, simple or symmetrical ketones. The ketones in which both the alkyl bonded to carbonyl carbon. In simple or symmetrical ketones, the ketone in which both the alkyl groups bonded to carbonyl carbon are identical, called simple or symmetrical ketones. In these, both CH3 is similar in dimethyl ketone or in acetone. and in diethyl ketone C2H5 is similar. These are alkyl group. In dimethyl, methyl group is similar in both sides, and in diethyl ketone, ethyl group is similar in diethyl ketone. These are example of simple or symmetrical ketones. Then second is mixed or unsymmetrical ketones. Mixed ketones or unsymmetrical ketones. In this, the ketones in which two alkyl groups bonded to carbonyl carbon. The ketone in which two alkyl groups bonded to carbonyl carbon are different are called mixed ketones or unsymmetrical ketones. For example, ethyl methyl ketone and ethyl and propyl ketone. Here first, ethyl methyl ketone, both the alkyl group are different. One side is attached with methane group and another side is attached with ethyl group. And in ethyl and propyl ketone, carbon first side is attached to ethyl group C2H5 and another side is attached to propyl group CH2CH2CH3. In simple ketone, both alkyl group are similar, and in mixed ketone, both the alkyl group are different. Then second, aromatic ketones. The compound in which carbon double bond oxygen is attached to either two aryl groups or one aryl and one alkyl group are called aromatic ketones. The compound in which carbon double bond oxygen is attached to either two aryl groups or one alkyl and one aryl group are called aromatic ketones. For example, first is the benzophenone and second is acetophenone. In benzophenone, carbon double bond oxygen is attached to two different ring or two different organic aromatic ring. These rings are similar. Two similar aryl group is attached to carbon double bond oxygen in benzophenone or diphenyl ketone. And in second acetophenone, carbon double bond oxygen, one side is attached to aromatic ring and another side is attached to methane group CH3. Then next, carboxylic acid. Functional group of carboxylic acid is COOH. Then carboxylic acid are classified into two types as aliphatic and aromatic carboxylic acid. First type is aliphatic carboxylic acid and second is aromatic carboxylic acid. Aliphatic carboxylic acid, the organic compound in which carboxyl group is bonded to an alkyl group are called aliphatic carboxylic acid or fatty acids. In aliphatic carboxylic acid, the organic compounds in which carboxyl group COOH group is bonded to an alkyl group are called aliphatic carboxylic acid or fatty acid. For example, first acetic acid and second is propionic acid. In this, acid group is attached to methane CH3 and in propionic acid, acid group is attached to propane CH2 CH3 and one carbon from functional group. Then next, depending on number of carboxylic acid group present, acid are classified as monoacid, diacid, triacid, tetraacid etc. carboxylic acid. First example for monocarboxylic acid. Example is propionic acid, CH3CH2COOH. In these 3 carbon is attached. Propionic acid, 3 carbon atom is present in propionic acid. This is monocarboxylic acid. Means monocarboxylic means only single functional group is present in monocarboxylic acid. And second is dicarboxylic acid, COOH. COOH, carbon is attached with another carbon. This is oxalic acid. Oxalic acid is a dicarboxylic acid. In these 2 functional group is present. 2 acid functional group is present. So this is dicarboxylic acid. The next CH3COOH, OHCCOOH, CH2COOH. Here total 3 acid functional group is present. This is citric acid. Citric acid, total 3 acid functional group is present. So this is tricarboxylic acid. Monocarboxylic acid, propionic acid, only single functional group is present. Then second oxalic acid, COOH. This is dicarboxylic acid. Total 2 functional group of carboxylic acid is present. Then second citric acid, this is tricarboxylic acid. Total number of functional group is 3. 3 carboxylic acid group is present in tricarboxylic acid. Then next is aromatic carboxylic acids. These are the compound in which one or more carboxyl COOH group are attached directly to aromatic ring. These are the compound in which one or more carboxyl group. Carboxyl group means COOH group are attached directly to aromatic ring. For example, benzoic acid and phthalic acid. In benzoic acid, functional group is attached to aromatic ring on one side, and in phthalic acid, total 2 functional carboxylic acid is attached to aromatic ring. Here in benzoic acid, on para position acid group is present, and in phthalic acid on meta position acid group is present. Thank you.